Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, your hopping guide to the wild, wonderful, and often surprising corners of the world. Today we're bouncing over to a Caribbean gem that might just flip your flip-flops, Aruba. Get ready to discover mind-blowing facts about this sun-drenched paradise that will leave you amazed and itching to pack your bags. So, hold tight to your hats and let's leap into Aruba's best-kept secrets. First off, did you know that when Spanish explorers landed on Aruba back in 1499, they were stunned by the height of the indigenous Caquetio people? These island giants stood well above the average European height of the time, earning Aruba the nickname Isla de los Gigantes, the Island of Giants. These people weren't just tall, they built large villages, practiced advanced agriculture, and left behind ancient petroglyphs that still whisper stories today. Their legacy is deeply woven into Aruba's culture and folklore. Now, you might expect a tropical island to be rich with gold and spices, right? Well, early Spanish explorers thought Aruba was a useless island because it lacked these treasures. But here's the kicker. In the 19th century, gold was discovered near Bushirabana and Balashi. This sparked a gold rush that transformed Aruba's economy and history. Imagine that. An island once dismissed as worthless became one of the Caribbean's richest natural treasure troves. Speaking of natural treasures, Aruba is famously known as the aloe vera capital of the world. Introduced in 1840, aloe vera thrived thanks to Aruba's hot, dry climate. By the early 1900s, 2/3 of the island was covered with aloe fields. This plant isn't just part of the landscape. It's part of Aruba's identity, appearing even on their national coat of arms. The Royal Aruba Aloe Company still operates today, welcoming visitors to see how this miracle plant is harvested and transformed. Let's hop over to something truly unique: Aruba's incredible multilingual culture. Here, locals easily switch between at least 4 languages: Dutch, English, Spanish, and Papiamento, a lively Creole language born right here blending Portuguese, Spanish, Dutch, African dialects, and more. This linguistic skill makes Aruba incredibly welcoming to visitors from all over the globe. Imagine jumping from one language to another mid-sentence. Now that's a linguistic kangaroo leap. No Caribbean island experience is complete without Carnival, right? Aruba's Carnival is an electrifying 2-month celebration packed with vibrant parades, steel drum competitions, and dazzling costumes that light up the streets from January through Fat Tuesday. The Grand Parade in Oranjestad and the Lighting Parade in San Nicolas are must-see events where culture, unity, and joy come alive in every rhythmic beat. Ready for some natural wonders? Aruba's rugged northern coastline is home to stunning limestone bridges, sculpted by wind and waves over thousands of years. The most famous natural bridge sadly collapsed in 2005, but its baby sibling still stands strong. Arikok National Park is Aruba's ecological crown jewel, spanning nearly 20% of the island. This park offers deserts, hills, beaches, and volcanic formations packed with unique wildlife like the rare Aruban rattlesnake and the adorable burrowing owl called Shoko. Plus, you'll find ancient Arawak petroglyphs in caves like Fontaine and Divi-Divi, a direct link to Aruba's indigenous past. Speaking of nature's artistry, Aruba's iconic Divi-Divi trees are a sight to behold. Permanently bent southwest by constant trade winds, these twisted trees are natural compasses pointing toward calm beaches. They symbolize resilience and adaptability, just like our adventurous kangaroo spirit. Here's a hop-worthy fact. Aruba is located outside the traditional Atlantic hurricane belt. That means it enjoys a remarkably stable climate, with around 300 sunny days a year. While other Caribbean islands brace for storms, Aruba stays reliably sunny, perfect for year-round adventures. For the explorers among us, Aruba's caves offer mystery and magic. Divi-Divi Cave features massive sunlit chambers with legends of forbidden love echoes from indigenous times. Nearby Huliba Cave, or Tunnel of Love, adds romance and myths to the island's rich storytelling tradition. Aruba might be small, but it packs a punch in biodiversity. Bright blue-tailed whiptail lizards dart around dry cactus landscapes. The critically endangered Aruban rattlesnake slinks through rocky hills with fewer than 300 individuals left in the wild. And that burrowing owl? It's so beloved it even appears on Aruba's currency. Conservation efforts here are hopping along to protect these species. Beach lovers rejoice. In Aruba, every inch of beach is public. That means no private beach clubs or exclusive areas. Everyone can enjoy the stunning sands whether you're staying at a 5-star resort or visiting for a day. This open access makes Aruba one of the most welcoming destinations in the Caribbean. Underneath those crystal-clear waters lies an underwater treasure trove of shipwrecks, like the SS Antilla, a massive World War II German cargo ship turned vibrant artificial reef. Diving here is like swimming through history, surrounded by colorful coral and, curious sea turtles. When hunger strikes after all this exploring, get ready for a delicious culinary adventure. Aruba's food scene is a melting pot featuring Caribbean spice, Dutch tradition, Latin American flair, and even Indonesian influences thanks to colonial ties. Don't miss trying Caquetio. That's a savory dish made by baking spiced meat inside a hollowed cheese rind. It's comfort food with a story. Finally, let's visit San Nicolas, Aruba's creative heart. Once an oil refining town, it has reinvented itself as an arts capital filled with vibrant street murals and lively cultural festivals like the Aruba Art Fair. Here, art isn't confined to galleries. It bursts onto every wall, telling stories of identity and pride. So there you have it, 15 mind-blowing facts about Aruba that prove this island is so much more than just sun and sand. Whether it's giant natives or golden legacies, aloe fields or linguistic leaps, Aruba invites you to explore its rich history and vibrant culture. Thanks for hopping along with Traveling Kangaroo today. If you loved bouncing through these fascinating facts about Aruba, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow travelers. Got your own favorite fact or story about Aruba? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Make sure you subscribe to Traveling Kangaroo for more wild, weird, and wonderful travel adventures every week. Follow us on social media and visit travelingkangaroo.com for exclusive content and tips. Until next time, keep your paws on the ground but let your spirit soar. This is Traveling Kangaroo signing off. Safe travels and happy hopping.